Una, salamat sa Diyos. Ligtas ang lahat. So far, medyo napayapa naman dahil I was nalalagay ng police for everyone in the city of Manila. Gigi and I very happy. Great.
Nice yan.
Ito ako lalo na. Again, special mention yung mga lolo ko na mga paglaban. Talagang pinakyat pa nila yung mga report sa amin. Yung balutang na tinutukan nila. Pinakyat pa nila sa third floor, sa second floor. Thank you very much sa mga Batang Manila. Thank you very much sa mga nanay at tatay ko. Thank you very much. Gulat kami. Gigi and I, gulat kami na overwhelming as far as 2:30, I guess, 2:30 a.m. ngayon. Officially, it's about 550,000 plus. 103% remaining. But for the meantime, I think we were advised by COMELEC mag-recess sila. And it will show up because of some hard is composed of 3% remaining. Still, sa eskwela. But for the meantime, maraming salamat. Maiayos natin ulit ang we were very optimistic that with the help of the people of Manila, we can make Manila great.
Yun ba, inasahan nyo ba na magiging ganito ang resulta?
Gusto namin ni Gigi at sa unang namin group, of course, I think any John Doe, St. Mary, is a candidate gusto mo namin. Yun talaga ang pangarap namin, namin makakabit sa tao. Meaning, but with the result, the official result, overwhelmed kami. Kaya salamat talaga sa Diyos sa ating mga Batang Manila. Nakakagulat na na-overwhelmed kami siya. But we really appreciate it at malaking challenge because there is a great mandate given to us, Gigi and I, and most of our group. I think 80% of our kapatid ay nanalo sa lahat.
Mayor, you're going back a few years after your first run in Manila. Ano ba yung aasahan na ng mga Manileño na something new that you would bring to the table after 3 years away from government?
I think one of the immediate concern ng Manila is the issue of basura. Yung pagkatugtog talaga ng and the criminality happening in the city. With the result of the election and issues raised during the campaign, I think yun na yung immediate na kailangan bigyan ng attention. And then again, like Gigi committed to deliver livelihood programs sa hirap ng buhay ngayon. Ating mga kumapagay. Plus the fact that we will continue to pursue the concept of MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, innovation, healthcare, and jobs. But initially about yung cleanliness and orderliness and peace and order situation in the city will be controlled by us.
So mag-iikot ka ulit, sir? Parang dati lang.
Hindi
ka na matutulog.
Vloggers eh. Sabi na kayo. Talagang, it's our commitment. Pag ako nabibigyan ng pagkakataon, I really try to dedicate my time serving the people. And that includes we are Kaya mapupuyat kayo ulit.
Last
Sir,
na,
sir, 4% na lang yung hinihintay natin na boto. Nakausap niyo na po ba yung mga katunggali ninyo? Meron na ba mga nag-congratulate? May ganun?
Well, hindi. But I don't know. I don't know kung pa yung sumulat. But we saw some
yeah, Sam Versosa, sir.
Mr. Versosa will see that they're ready. But the other one, I don't know. And the others.
Willing kayo makipag-usap sa kanya, sir?
Because at the end of the day, taga Maynila sila, di ba? Magiging mamamayan ko sila. Then, as I have been doing and committed to sa Maynila, pati, they're still members of the community, and we are, Chichi and I, and the entire York's Choice, which a great majority members of the City Council. Thanks again to people of Manila. They're willing to serve them. So, yung pagkakapati-pati, I think, una ko na munang panawagan ito sa ating mga mamamayan. Sa buong eleksyon, yung mga nagkontrapartido, magkatapat ng ilog, pagpati-pati na po kayo. Tapos na po, akala na. Nagpasya na ang taong bayan, binigyan tayo ulit. So, ang panawagan ko na lang sa mamamayan, pagpati-pati na po tayo mag-iwaiwalay. At the end of the day, tayo rin ang magkikita sa
Yung mga alas 10 pala ng gabi, alam natin na landslide po kayo, pero hindi po natuloy yung proklamasyon at yung gabi. Ano tumatakbo sa isip po ninyo?
Siyempre, excited kami magproklama. I think kahit sinong kandidato na tumatakbo sa public office, excited magproklama. And especially, if it is highly improbable. If I may borrow that term from medyo, but then again, following rules and following instructions, it seems so far okay naman. And being understanding of the situation, the physical, emotional, and psychological challenge to our BEIs and the teachers and all other individuals who participated in this election, the backbone of the democracy at the time, elections going on there. I think it's 4 a.m. 4 a.m. pa sila. We'll give them understanding. But honestly, straightforward, we're very excited with the program because nakakaingit yung Las Piñas, saka San Juan City, Quezon City, Munti, so 4 na city na sa Metro Manila. I hope we're next. Siguro yun lang ko na masasabi. But for the meantime, kung ano magiging pa siya ng Board of City Board of Councilors, recess, rest sila, waiting for 51 more card. We're willing to wait. Mapaghintay ng mga batang Manila na
Kay Vice po, may mensahe po kayo sa mga supporters, mga sumuporta po sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po sa aming board. Maraming salamat sa hinihingi po namin na kayo magtiwala na we are more than with your government that the difficult government sa gobyerno ng Pilipinas sa inyo pagkatapos ng government. Maraming salamat dahil sa aming mga pinalaki, ipag-deliver po kami. At kung si Jorge ay will receive us po po siya dahil ang kami kasi ang kaya nandun po kayo sa mga
Maraming salamat.
Hamon ko na rin your measure. Nangunguna rin yung anak niyo po na si Joaquin
Oo,
sa
ako rin
council.
yun.
Ano
Mga
masasabi niyo po?
tinig-tinig.
Nakausap niyo na ba siya, Yorme?
oh, nandyan naman si Loki. Eh, gusto ko lang manalo siya eh, pero
Number 1.
Number 1 po.
overwhelming din yung tulog ng mga taga.
Pwede maingan natin
Pwede
siya
ba
ng
namin
ano,
bigyan siya?
Again,
You wanna make any advice?
isalam nyo na. Break in nyo na.
Break in talaga.
Again talaga, brand new. Brand new ang console.
Sir, first off, congratulations po on your win. Any advice that you got from your father pagdating po sa governance at pagiging konsehal bilang ang daddy nyo nagsimula din po bilang konsehal sa Tondo?
Ano masasabi mo, Joaquin? May marami nagsasabi na bata ka pa daw sa politika. Anong masasabi mo doon? Marami mga nagsasabi na bata ka pa daw sa politika.
Opo, paano naman po talaga? Ay, amin ko po naman na sa lahat po nagsasabi din na baka wala akong magagawa. So don't worry po, sa edad po, sa maglilingkod, wala yun sa edad. It's really the end of the day, it's your heart and your passion to strive to do better for the people. And kasi yung tipong yung you want to make them feel something yung nakaangat sa buhay nila. And not yung pwede na lang yan. So let's start with the pwede na lang yan. Dapat much better. We give it to them. Because matagal na sila hindi nagbibigyan ng tao.
English lang siya.
Friend sa tatay.
Alright.
Congrats po.
Pero let me, one more time and thank each and every one of you, our partners in media, who really you're being vigilant in the last 45 days in the city of Manila. Dahil sa inyo, marami kayong nabantayan, maraming individual, hindi siguro nila nagawa yung sa magagawa nila. So I would like to thank us and then of course, our vloggers, portalapok talaga yan. Abunado pa sa akin yun. Sorry sila pasalamatan. Yung mga supporters natin, mga leaders natin, and sorry. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung mga kababaihan ng Manila, kabarakan ng Manila, at siyempre yung ating mga minamahal na kakagabay. At lahat ng volunteers, individuals, organization, maraming salamat sa inyo. And I hope supporting me will not stop because tapos na election. Again, hindi ko, Chichi and I, the entire group, we cannot do it alone. We need everybody's participation. People of Manila, we need you. Of course, it is our city. It is our community. Walang magmamalasakit dito kundi tayo magmamalasakit. So, I hope in the coming weeks, come and join us. Let's rebuild Manila. A better place for us maybe, but definitely let's do this for the next generation. Muli, maraming salamat and God first.
Thank you.
Photo of cellphone. Cellphone.